Difference between identification and traceability. In today's manufacturing world, terms like identification and traceability are used very frequently. But many people still think both mean the same thing. In reality, identification and traceability are connected, but they are not the same. So in this video, let's understand the basic difference between identification and traceability in a simple, practical, and industry-oriented way. What is identification? Let's start with identification. Identification means giving a unique identity to a component or product. And just like every human has a name or Aadhaar number, every industrial component also needs a unique identity. This identity can be in the form of a serial number, a part number, a batch, or a lot number, a date or month-year code, a company logo, or a 2D data matrix QR code. This identity is physically marked on the component using technologies such as dot pin marking, laser marking, engraving, or labeling. Once this marking is done, the part becomes uniquely identifiable. However, at this stage, the marking only answers one basic question: what is this part? Identification does not tell where the part was manufactured, which machine or operator made it, what quality checks were done, or where the part is used. So, identification is the first step, but not the complete solution. What is traceability? Now let us understand traceability. Traceability means tracking the complete life cycle of a component, and from raw material to final product, and even after delivery. Traceability always starts with identification, but it goes much further. When a part is traceable, it means that by scanning its serial number or 2D code, we can access complete information such as raw material details, manufacturing date and time, machine number and operator, process parameters, quality inspection results, assembly line data, dispatch and customer details, service history or recall data. All this information is stored in a database or software system like ERP, MES, or cloud-based traceability software. So traceability answers a much bigger question. Where did this part come from? What happened to it? And where is it now? Simple example. Let's take a very simple example. An engine component is marked with serial number ENG 245789. This marking alone is identification. But when we scan that serial number and see which foundry supplied the material, when it was machined, who inspected it, and which vehicle it was assembled into, and which customer received it, that complete information is traceability. Key difference explained simply, so the core difference is very clear. Identification is about marking, traceability is about tracking. Identification gives a name to the part. Traceability gives the life story of the part. Why both are important in modern industries like automotive, aerospace, medical devices, electronics, heavy engineering. Identification alone is not enough. Companies need traceability to ensure quality and compliance, handle recalls quickly, improve process control, and reduce rejection and warranty cost. Meet customer and regulatory requirements. Enable Industry 4.0 and digital manufacturing. Identification makes a part visible. Traceability makes the part accountable. And remember, without identification, traceability is impossible. But identification without traceability is incomplete. That is the true difference between identification and traceability. At Asian Machine Tool Corporation Private Limited, we don't just provide marking machines. We deliver complete identification and traceability solutions that help industries achieve quality, compliance, and digital manufacturing readiness.